How to install and remove the embroidery frame of EOC05. Loosen the screw. Remove the inner frame. We recommend using 2 layers of stabiliser for better results. Place stabilisers on the outer frame. The tear stabiliser that comes with the machine is more suitable for non-stretch fabrics. We recommend beginners to practice with this fabric. Please note, different fabrics require different stabilisers. Confirm that the inner and outer embroidery frames are in the correct position. Insert the inner frame. Twist the screw. Lightly pull the fabric to smooth out the wrinkles. Tighten the screw. Make sure the fabric remains flat. Lift the presser forward. Snap the notch into the positioning pin. When you want to remove the embroidery frame, all you have to do is lift the presser foot. Press the catch and move the frame out to the left.